Hello from Barcelona, I'm Noah and today I'll give you a quick overview of Opera Neon, our experimental browser with an agentic workspace. So let's jump right into it. Whenever you open a new tab, you land on Neon's start page. And this is where everything begins. The most important element here is the main input bar. It's your entry point into Neon. You can simply type what you need and Neon picks the right direction for you. Or you can also choose an agent directly. As you may have seen in our last video, Neon comes with 4 agents: Neon Chat, Do, Make and Audra, our deep research agent. Or you can just start typing and let Neon search the web for you. Neon organizes your work into tasks. Each task groups your tabs, pages and AI actions so everything stays clear and focused, even when things get complex. Neon also lets you choose from the best AI models available. From reasoning and browsing to image generation and even video creation, you can always match the model to the job. And whatever you create, Neon makes it easy to share. You can export, for example, a clean research PDF from Deep Research, share a generated image or video, or even send a full web app built with Make, all through a simple link. Now let's take a look at Neon Cards. Neon includes cards, which you can access through the Neon Card Store. Cards are quick, guided prompts that add structure to your requests, helping you get better results without writing long instructions over and over again. To create a card, head over to the card store and in the top right corner, click Create. Then choose what your card should do. You can build a website agent to work more efficiently across different sites, a card to smooth out your daily tasks, or a workflow agent that helps you automate routines. Define the steps, add details, save it and let your browser do the work for you. Your cards appear in your personal card section where you can use them, share them or publish them for others. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this quick overview of Opera Neon. If you have any questions, feel free to join our Opera Neon Discord community and see you next time here at Opera Neon.